In this video, we will be lacing up City Select Luxe leather grips. Here's what you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, 2 City Select Luxe grips, 2 60-inch wax lacing threads, and 2 lacing needles. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 3 screws that are located on the underside of the brake assembly. Set them aside in a safe spot where you know you won't lose them. To begin lacing up your grips, you will first need to thread both ends of the wax lacing thread onto the needles like I've done here. Next, we have to ensure our grips are aligned with the starting point of where we would like our grips to fit. Using the right needle, thread through the first hole on the right, going from inside to outside. Do the same on the other hand. With the left needle, thread through the left hole, going inside to outside. Pull both the threads tight to make sure they're both the same length. Now we'll take the left needle and place it in the first hole on the right, going from outside to inside. And repeat the same for the other side, taking the right needle and placing it in the first left hole from outside to inside. Bring out the left needle through the right hole, going from inside to outside, and the right needle through the left hole, going from inside to outside. We can now begin crossing over. So take your right needle and place it through the third hole on the left side, and bring it back through on the fourth hole on the right side. So you're basically skipping one hole and going down to the next hole. View the diagram and pause if you have to see each way the thread goes, going from under and over, inside to outside. Once you get the hang of it, it should be quite easy. So continue along until you get to the part where the cutout is for the brake. And here's how to lace up the opposite way so that you're skipping on the left instead of the right. At this point now you want to go back in and tighten all your threads to make sure that they're tight. Once you get to the cutout for the brake assembly, continue lacing as you normally would. The only difference this time is that you would be working around the brake assembly. Loosely lace up this part, but tight enough that it will keep it together. Once you've laced up the rest of the way, all you have left to do is repeat the first stitch we did in the beginning. So you want to take your right needle through the left hole, and the left needle through the right hole. Tie off the ends in a knot and tuck in the remaining tails inside the grips. Once you've laced up the entire grip, this is what it should look like. Reattach your brake assembly with the 3 screws we had set aside earlier. And there you have it, City Select Luxe Lace-Up Grips. Now repeat for the left side. Enjoy!